today we're going to be trying to list a good amount of them that are like my favorites. Also, we're going to be doing it with gum chewing because I just got off work. My job has a vending machine, and I got some gum, so we're going to do that. You guys ready? Let me set this down. Try it in for the boys, you know. I don't know what I said for the boys. Like, what? I don't. I should have named this channel awkward because that's what I am. I'm going to be real with you. I don't even like tapping, but I assume a lot of people like it, so we're just gonna get into it, you know. If you do not like gum chewing, I am very sorry. I will also do videos without gum chewing, but you know, since I have gum, I thought, you know, why not? It sounds so weird listening to myself, like, with the earbuds in. Alright, so let's get into it. We're going to be talking about my number one favorite ASMR artist that I listen to. Now, I've been listening to him for a long time. I kind of feel like I grew up with him because we're the same age. And he really grew in popularity since I first started watching him. Because like when he first started his channel, I started watching him. And I was like, this dude's great. He has an awesome whisper. He's literally probably my favorite ASMR artist, by the way, that I've ever watched, ever. And I started watching ASMR back in 2014, before it was like even a thing. Well, before it was like popular, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, Sufficient Whispers. You guys know who that is, probably. If you don't know him, then what are you doing with your life? He's like so cool. Also, I don't know if I should like put this on or not. I'm gonna cut out a lot of the like random breaths that I do into the mic because I feel like that's probably gonna sound like really bad. But anyways, so yeah, his name is Alex, and he just has such good whispers, and I listen to a lot of the ASMR artists that I listen to, like, or because of their whisper, it's just super good. So yeah, and he does like a lot of whisper rambles and things like that, which is basically my kind of style because that's what I like the most. So yeah, and he starts off his videos like, what's poppin', it's cool. And he's gotten married, and he's grown up. We love that for you, Alex. Keep going on. You're doing great. Next, she's pretty popular in the ASMR world, I feel like. But she's not like a big, she's not like a GB, but she should be. She's close enough. The White Rabbit ASMR. Now she does like really cool role plays and stuff. My favorite is probably the Nona. Like the Italian grandma that she does. It's so relaxing. And it's just so good. Like, she does a fantabulous job, and she's a really good actress. Like, she should get into acting. Like, she'd do great. So yeah. Next is lovely ASMRS. Keegan, he's a cool dude, bro. Again, ASMR Kenshi, and then SRP ASMR. Both of them, they do like role plays. ASMR Kenshi, he does like those really fast role plays, like where it's like 1 minute doctor role play or something, or like 2 minute cranial nerve exam. Like he'll do other stuff too, but like it's I said that way too loud, sorry. But he'll be like, okay, follow my finger, follow my finger, follow my finger, follow my finger, follow my finger. Look up here, look up here. Look down here, 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 look over here, look up here. Okay, look over here, look right there. Alright, can you smell it, smell it, smell it, smell it? Like you'll be doing this. All that kind of stuff. It's like, dude, like it's so fire. Like, stop. But yeah, so, and then SRP ASMR, he does like doctor role plays and stuff, and he like they're really professionally done. Like they seem so realistic, and like the two of them, like they have like soft speaking mixed with whisper, which is really cool. And genuinely, I'm not a soft speaking person. Like I don't like soft speaking that much, but they do it well. Like I'm telling you, if you like people for whispers, like if that's what your main ASMR listening is for whispers, these are the people you should listen to because they have great ones. Amazing. Okay. Now, oh wait, before I get to him, so next is Epic Tingles. Now, this dude is cool. He's still in high school, I think, and he said his real name, but he didn't want anyone saying his, like, calling him by his real name, so I'm not going to. But he hasn't posted in a minute, but I can't even remember how I found him. I just stumbled across him. But his videos are cool, and he's got a great whisper. And yeah, he's a really cool dude. You should totally check him out. And he did like a lot of sneaker role plays and stuff like that, like with shoes and showing off his shoes and stuff like that. So that was cool. And yeah, I feel like he's deep. Like he's deep. Like, you know, and like you got a person that just knows what they're talking about. I feel like that's him. Like that's epic. Okay, he's literally epic. Yeah. Okay. So next, we have ASMR Nirvana. Dude, I love ASMR Nirvana. So I can't even remember how I found him, but I've been listening to him for a while, and his music style, amazing. Like his music is great. And honestly, just watching him was enough for me to start collecting vinyls. Like, and now I have like 30 vinyls. And I thought about doing a vinyl collection, so I might do that soon. But yeah, I was like, dude, like his music is so good. He likes so many different kinds of music. Like, you know, like there's some people who just stick with one kind of music and they don't like to explore, venture out with anything. Like that's not him. That's not him. And that's me. Like I like to venture out. Like I don't just like one style of music. I love so many. Like as you can see. Whoa, that was loud. Sorry. This is not a Def Leppard shirt, but it is in the style of a Def Leppard. Like you look at me, you probably think I like listen to Young Thug. Bro, I got like a Def Leppard style shirt. What you think? What you think this is? Anyways. Anyways, bro, I'll do talking about music later, but yeah. So yeah, the ASMR Nirvana, he's great. Also, I think he just put out a song that he did, and like on Spotify and Apple Music or whatever. So yeah, you should check that out. So this next person, I am a Friends fan. Okay, this person has nothing to do with show you if you can see this Central Perk thing behind me, which is the coffee shop and the show Friends from the 90s. So I kid you not, I was trying to find an ASMR roleplay about Friends, which I did find some. There were some, but because my favorite character is Chandler Bing, I was like, maybe I can find an ASMR Chandler Bing roleplay, which I did. But I also stumbled upon this guy named Chandler ASMR, and he's really cool. His whisper is straight up awesome. Straight up awesome. I'm like, dude, what? He's a football star. I think he's from Georgia, and he plays for a college team. But that's mainly what he talks about is football. And I mean, I don't even really like football. I've never been into football, but I listen to it for him because his whisper is just awesome. And he's really interesting. You should definitely check out the channel. So yeah, he has nothing to do with Chandler Bing, but his name is Chandler, and he is an ASMR artist. So next we have Calming Escape ASMR. She should definitely be bigger than she is. She's so good. She does role plays, and they're really entertaining. And she has a great whisper. She's so good. I'm trying to speed along because I only have 2 left, and I'm trying to make sure that I have enough time so that my storage doesn't run out on my phone. But yeah, so definitely check out Calming Escape ASMR. She's really good. Like I said, entertaining. And if you like role plays, her whisper is nice. That's what you should check out. Next is Alley Cat's Tingles ASMR. Now I found Alley Cat's Tingles from another YouTuber that recommended her. I can't for the life of me remember who that was, but I'm so glad that I followed that recommendation because she is so great. She's really, really nice. She seems she's so friendly, and she just had a baby. Well, I'm saying just had a baby, but honestly, it could have been a year ago. Time is just moving. So, her baby could be 1 now. That's crazy. I don't know if that's true, but it's possible. But, yeah. So, she's really cool, really, got great videos. You should definitely check her out. She does role plays and stuff, too. She does, Karen role plays, Karens, in the stores, Karens, she does role plays like that. And, yeah, she's really cool. Really cool. So, lastly, of course, obviously not least, is Marco ASMR. Now, Marco is Italian, so the majority of his videos are in Italian. So if you're cool with that, I mean, I'm cool with it because personally, I don't need to listen to words that I understand to fall asleep, because it's I don't have to listen, and it helps me fall asleep faster because I don't understand what he's saying. But he does do some videos in English too. There's a few videos that he's done in English that I like, where he's teaching you Italian, which is really, really cool. But his whisper is great. Really great whisper. There's another ASMR artist that, she's Dutch, and I would mention her, but for some reason her name is not coming to me, and I'm very upset about it. But she's Dutch, kind of like Keegan, lovely ASMR artist. He's Dutch too, but she's a white girl, and her mic quality is bomb. And I cannot think of her name for the life of me, but anyways. I watch her a lot too. I'll tag her in the bottom. Oh wait, I think it's Nanu. I think it's Nanu ASMR. It just came to my head. Dude, you will not regret it. But she also does a lot of I said,